Guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institutes. Please subscribe our channel if you have not, especially for OET things and for the best information and the best videos about OET. So we have just done reading. So we also did some vocabulary words. So I just would like to go through with those vocabulary words. Insidious word is very common in our medical. Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking can lead to insidious diseases or conditions. That means it can secretly harm the bodies. Like diabetes is an insidious disease. So always insidious means it can secretly harm you without even knowing. So like chronic diseases are majorly insidious. So chronic and insidious you can correlate. We did this as well. Uni, bi, tri, quadra, penta, hexa, hepta. It less chances, but uni means one, bi, tri means three, quadra means four, penta means five. So just to say, di also sometimes means contrast, confusion, dilemma, dichotomy. So that means they have two opinions. So die word and by word are kind of similar words, but die is less common. But yeah, you should remember this word sometimes. Also in today's reading, we did outcome. Outcome means what is the result? What is the outcome of the study? What is the finding of the study? What is the conclusion of the study? Or even if word found, it was found means if the question says what is the outcome, and in the paragraph, if there is a line that says it was found, that means this is the line you have to focus. Then you don't have to read other lines. If one line says it was found, that means this is the finding. So found is the verb, find, found, found. Finding is the noun, finding. Finding means final report. Consequences means this word is very, very important. If somebody is saying consequences of a particular thing, that means effect. That means impact. Obviously they will create a tough question. When it comes to, they will give you multiple options. What is the suitable heading to this? Like periodontitis wala example that we have done now. If it would have been the periodontitis and its consequences, then I would have chosen this answer, that periodontitis and its effect. Require means essential, essential means necessity. Sometimes it is given that this require this intervention, this disease require this intervention. Require means sometimes essential. That means this intervention is necessary, is essential. So sometimes we know the meaning of necessary. Essential is like we can't avoid it. Require also sometimes means it's essential. It is the need of the hour. Need of the hour means it is essential. And need of the hour is a phrase that we say it is essential for this moment. If I say, oh, it is the need of the hour, this is the need of the hour, that means it is 100% important. Rule out word, never use in writing. Most important thing, never use in writing rule out word. That this condition was diagnosed. Sometimes people try to say, oh, it's my final exam. Let's make it, this disease was ruled out. My dear, ruled out means this disease was eliminated. Your examiner will fail you. Sorry, don't want to be negative, but rule out does not mean diagnosis. Rule out means eliminating the disease. X-ray was conducted to rule out the fracture. Does not mean to diagnose the fracture, to rule out the fracture. That means when we say in normal medical vocabulary, we want to tell the patient, see, we are conducting this X-ray to rule out the condition. That means we want your relative to be safe. So we're just conducting this X-ray to rule out this condition so that you are safe. So rule out means eliminating the disease, not considering the disease. So yeah, this is Dr. Bhupesh again with a small video to let you know about the grammar as well. Thank you very much. Thank you.